Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog again. So, ayun guys, diba last time, I shared a story to you that I already filed a resignation. But then, kanina, I have gave a copy to my boss. And ayun, nag-usap kami ni boss ko. And he said, baka pwede pang i-hirit. Diba? Sabi ko, hindi na talaga kaya kasi nga si Shasha sir, wala na mag-alaga. And kawawa naman kasi nga, yung gadget, puro gadget si Shasha. Pag nasa office, hindi mo masaway-saway, kawawa naman siya. Kulang siya sa exercise pag lagi siya nakaupo. And ayun na nga guys, and I gave a copy to our HR a while ago, kaninang hapon. So, my boss, my HR boss, advised me to make a letter of intent. And then, I have to propose a work that can be made at home. And I have to enumerate all the responsibility, okay? She asked me if you can do the work still at home. So, I said, yes. I have prepared a letter of intent discussing what are the possible works that I can do related to the job that I'm doing right now. Kumbaga, closely related. Ano ba yung mga ginagawa ko sa office? Pwede ko pa ba siyang gawin sa bahay? And the answer is yes, 100%. Pwede pa siyang sa bahay. Kasi it's more online eh. It's more on communication, coordination, writing, at the same time, finding customers. So, pak na pak, pwede siya sa loob ng bahay. And of course, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa karaka-raka. I prepared a letter stating that all the works, that job, that position, pwedeng gawin. And that position, eto yung mga responsibility, pak, pwede mong gawin sa bahay. So, it's up to them. I'm not the one who first said that I should be given with work still, or gusto ko pa magtrabaho sa bahay, but no. I just open up an idea na pwede ito sa loob ng bahay. So, di ba, remote work. So, tomorrow, we will talk about it, and we'll see kung okay, mag-agree kami, di ba? So, the price, I don't know yet. Of course, I have to propose, I have to say my price, okay, about the task. Kung alin dun yung pipiliin nila, and it has a corresponding, salary, yun na ba? Okay, so that's all for the day, and antayin nyo yung magiging usapan namin if I will be continuing working in the office. Kasi I really love the job nga, diba? As I have told you. Gusto ko itong trabaho. Pak na pak talaga. And I love selling. It's kasi sales to eh. Sales yung work. The business is about selling, looking for customers, and of course, interaction with people. And I love that kind of work. Okay? So, kung okay sa kanila, and if it's up to them naman, hindi ko naman i-insist, okay? Kasi, kung maghahanap lang naman ako ng work sa iba na work from home, so why not to that company still, okay? So, at least, kung i-bless ko yung ibang company ng aking talent, why not bless my present company, okay? Na doon pa rin ako. Okay, so that's all for the day. So, bye and thanks for watching.